terms of like Gardner and Anderson shelter.
They've got some treasures in here, haven't they? Yeah. Got Avro Lincoln at the back there, Laurie. Avro Lincoln. Yeah. They got a Junkers 88 here as well. Look. Yeah. Yeah. Spitfire 1, yeah, very rare machine, early one. Very nice. Yeah, PRU one.
Yeah. Was the pink one. The morning one, rather than the night time.
Well, I'll do a painting of that for you, Laurie.
Yeah.
That spit. Yeah, it was a...
Like they were going to collapse, look.
Well, so narrow track. Notorious on the ground as well.
Oh, yeah, I mean, because you've only got to get half a degree on that.
And they're going to wear on the side as well, aren't they?
The Spitfire one.
I think it was a strength, wasn't it?
Yeah, but you'd think they'd angle it so that...
This up on 90, Butcher Bird. Yeah. Oh, I didn't realise they got this lot in here.
Oh, yeah.
Some stuff, good stuff in here.
This is beautiful.
Isn't it? A diner. They've got a diner. A gladiator. They've got a gladiator as well. Yes, Fairy Reed type fellow. They usually twist them. There's 5-bladed on this. Yeah, PR9, isn't it? PR19. 19, PR19, yeah, very late one. Yeah. Nice gladiator, isn't it? Look at this. That Junkers 88, look, it's imposing, isn't it? Yeah, Japanese, yeah, diner.
A bit like their answer to the Mosquito.
Yeah, very similar. Like dihedral. Look at the dihedral on this though, Laurie.
Yeah.
A lot of dihedral, isn't there?
The one like Gary's?
Yes, yeah. Junkers 88, that is.
The 88.
Junkers 88.
Gary's doesn't fly very well, does it?
No. Oh, he's got a Messerschmitt 410, Messerschmitt 110 isn't
he's
it?
Got the one with the wasp
yes,
on the side.
That's it, a twin tail. It always looks as though it's going to fall out of the sky, doesn't it? Yeah, it's impressive, isn't it? There's another Japanese one here. It looks like a Zero, isn't it? Or a Zeke. It's probably one of the two. Let's have a look. I think it's a... Oh, and it's a Kawasaki KI 100.
Yes,
and that's a back of suicide bomb. Yeah. Look at some rare stuff in here, Laurie, haven't they?
I know. I thought you did.
Oh, yeah, I never realised. Sort of an Alstrutter.
It's a nice museum.
My dad loved the Junkers 88s. He always used to make lots of little models of these.
Masts on the front.
Yeah.
Is that
radar? Night radar.
Yeah. I just think this is everything. I love this.
Yeah. Big Daimler-Benz engines in it. These are in good condition, aren't they? I mean, the condition of these are amazing, aren't they? Yeah.
BMW engines?
Yes, yeah. These are from the Dornier 17, the one that's in the conservation centre. Yeah.
This chap behind upstairs, if you've seen this chap
Yeah.
in full female.
Oh, yeah.
Get him on the camera.
Yeah, I will. Defiant. Bottom Pool Defiant. Bottom Pool Turret. That's a big lump in it to have the back of the fighter in it.
Mixture of Spitfire.
Yeah, yeah.
The nose is definitely Spitfire.
Spitfire shaped nose with a big bottom pool turret bolted to the back. Not particularly successful. Not that remarkably successful. Yeah, quite a good mechanism, isn't it?
That'd be Hurricane, wouldn't it?
Yeah, inwards, yeah. Hefty undercarriage though, isn't it? It's got all sorts of doors on it. These are wonderful. Lovely, yeah. Yeah. Lincoln, Abro Lincoln.
Oh, it's a Lincoln.
A later one, yeah.
I thought there was something odd
Yeah.
about the front.
Yeah, different, basically a post-war Lancaster.
Still lovely.
You might see TA6. I think this might have been even a 633 squadron in this one.
TT35.
Yeah, 639.
Was it Mosquito that Guy Gibson was shot down in?
Yes, yeah, it was. When you think that's made out of balsa and ply and Bakelite lorry,
What this is?
yeah, fuselage made out of balsa and plywood shell, and the wings. Finest aircraft of World War II. Finest aircraft of World War II, that was, the Mosley. It's so versatile, low level, light fighter.
England have got a very distinct tail.
Yes, it's a trademark, their trademark, isn't it? Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Yeah, very nice, aren't they, eh? Now, you wouldn't want to come here at night and see that. You know why? It's haunted.
Is it really?
It's been proven. There was a chap in here one night and he heard a creaking noise and he thought he saw something in the cockpit and the turret moved.
Oh.
Yeah, real spooky. Really haunted.
So this has got two Spitfire engines, I assume, anyway.
The Mozzie Merlins, yeah, two
Merlins,
Merlins.
yeah.
What a wonderful machine, though. Eh? I mean, when you consider that was made in shadow factories, that Standards made these lorry Standards at Banner Lane. They took them to Hansty to fly them on lorries, and they covered them with covers. Wonderful machine.
Fabulous,
Yeah. And all that's balsa, all that's carved balsa around the nose.
Balsa.
Yeah. Plywood formers and balsa.
I suppose there are different types of strength of balsa, are there?
No, balsa's balsa, whatever you have, you know. It was light and strong. Yeah, but you got the monocoque and to put your fittings in, Lauren, they put Bakelite plugs in it. Push Bakelite plugs and then you screw into the Bakelite.
Oh, right.
Wonderful machine.
That's the front I've got on the
Yeah.
observer window.
Yes.
I've got the machine gun front as well to put on if I want to.
I'm amazed at the condition of these. These are amazing conserved, aren't they? National
Shame
treasures,
they've got
aren't they?
Matching tyres.
National treasures, aren't
They
they?
haven't got matching tyres.
No. Oh no, so they haven't. Probably got all they could get. Very early Harrier there. The development of flying though, isn't it, like this? It's the development of aviation. Huge, isn't it? Bit broader wing chord than the Lanc. Bit broader. I made a small model of this, of the Lincoln.
Again, this probably wouldn't be a flyer, unlike old Warden.
No,
Some of these
no.
probably aren't flyers.
No, these are all grounded now.
I Is that storch, isn't it?
Yeah, he's a storch, yeah. He's a storch.
I always found them quite unusual.
Yeah.
It's unusual to Germany, like the
Yes.
Lysander was to
That's
us.
right, yes.
You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Very similar sorts of...
Field observation work. Anna Reich flew them. She landed right in the street to Berlin
Yeah.
to pick up Hitler. There's a famous story. You see these? They towed these beyond submarines, Laurie. These little helicopters.
Section, look.
Yeah. Towed them beyond submarines.
What was it flying at? James Bloody Bond?
Yeah.
Forerunner of Little Nelly, was it?
Yeah. Mr. Smith 163 there, look. Oh, look at the Bombay on it.